When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements can offer as many benefits as new windows. One brand that has been gaining attention for its commitment to high-quality, energy-efficient solutions is Covington Windows. Whether you're looking to replace old, drafty windows or simply want to reduce your home's energy costs, Covington Windows can make a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable, cost-effective home environment, especially as energy prices continue to rise. By improving your home's insulation and reducing heat loss or gain, you can create a more comfortable living space while lowering your energy bills. Here's how Covington Windows can enhance the energy efficiency of your home and help you save money in the long term. Advanced insulation with double or triple pane glass. One of the primary ways Covington Windows improves energy efficiency is through their use of double or triple pane glass. Unlike traditional single-pane windows, which offer minimal insulation, Covington's windows feature multiple layers of glass separated by insulating gases like argon or krypton. These gases act as a buffer, preventing heat from transferring between the inside and outside of your home. During the winter, this insulation helps keep warm air inside your home, while in the summer, it keeps cool air from escaping. This reduces the workload of your HVAC system, allowing it to run less frequently and use less energy, which ultimately leads to lower utility bills. Whether it's freezing cold or scorching hot outside, Covington Windows help regulate the temperature inside your home and make it more energy efficient year-round. Low-E coatings for improved heat control. Covington Windows are also equipped with low-E, low emissivity, coatings. Low-E coatings are thin layers of metallic material applied to the glass that help reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. These coatings are particularly beneficial because they reduce heat transfer without sacrificing the amount of sunlight entering your home. In the winter, low-E coatings help retain heat inside by reflecting it back into your home, preventing warmth from escaping through the windows. In the summer, they reflect heat from the outside, reducing the amount of solar heat that enters your home and helps your air conditioning work more efficiently. This keeps your home at a comfortable temperature while lowering the need for constant heating and cooling. Energy Star certification. Many of Covington's windows are Energy Star certified, which means they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Energy Star certified windows are designed to reduce energy consumption by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, preventing drafts, and minimizing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Installing Energy Star certified windows like Covington Windows can provide significant savings on your energy bills. The certification ensures that the windows offer high performance in terms of both insulation and energy conservation, making them a reliable choice for homeowners who want to save money and reduce their environmental impact. Reduced air leakage with tight seals. Air leaks around window frames and sashes can significantly reduce the energy efficiency of your home. Over time, older windows can develop gaps or cracks that allow air to seep in, causing your HVAC system to work harder. Covington windows are designed with tight seals that minimize air leakage, preventing drafts and maintaining the temperature inside your home. The quality of the seals and weather stripping in Covington windows ensures that the windows remain airtight even during extreme weather conditions. By preventing cold air from infiltrating during the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer, these windows help maintain a comfortable living environment while lowering your heating and cooling costs. Durability and low maintenance for long-term efficiency. Another way Covington windows contribute to energy efficiency is through their durability and low maintenance. Made from high-quality materials, these windows are designed to withstand the test of time. Unlike older windows that may deteriorate or warp over the years, Covington windows maintain their performance, insulating properties, and efficiency for longer periods. Covington windows are also easy to maintain, which means they will continue to operate efficiently without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. With proper maintenance, you can enjoy long-term energy savings and avoid the costs associated with replacing inefficient windows in the near future. Noise reduction for a comfortable home environment. In addition to improving energy efficiency, Covington windows offer soundproofing benefits, which can enhance the overall comfort of your home. The multiple layers of glass and insulating gas used in Covington windows not only reduce heat transfer but also block outside noise, providing a quieter living space. This can be especially beneficial for homes located near busy streets, airports, or noisy neighborhoods. Reducing outside noise allows you to enjoy a more peaceful home environment while maintaining the energy efficiency that keeps your home comfortable year-round. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows like Covington windows is also a smart investment in your home's value. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features, as they recognize the long-term cost savings and comfort they offer. By installing Covington windows, you can increase your home's resale value while also making it more attractive to potential buyers. Homes with energy-efficient windows are more desirable, especially in markets where buyers are looking to reduce their energy consumption and environmental footprint. Installing Covington windows can give your home a competitive edge in the real estate market. Conclusion. Covington windows offer an exceptional solution for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. With advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, tight seals, and ENERGY STAR certification, Covington windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while lowering your energy bills. These windows provide long-term savings, improved home comfort, and a reduced environmental impact, making them an investment that will pay off over time. If you're looking to upgrade your home's energy efficiency, Covington windows are a smart, durable, and cost-effective choice.